Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your teacher Marife Adonis, and our lesson for today is solving system of linear equation by elimination. This is Math 8. System of linear equation into variables. Okay, a linear equation into variables is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus by equals c, where a and b and c are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Two or more linear equations considered together form a system of linear equations. So we have here a sub 1x plus b sub 1y is equal to c, or a sub 2x plus b sub 2y equals c sub 2. Okay, in standard form, so for example, we have 2x plus y equals 6 and 4x plus y equals 8. So this is a standard form. If we are going to translate that into slope-intercept form, so this will become y is equals to negative 2x plus 6. At the same time, y is equals to negative 4x plus 8. So a solution of the system of linear equations into variables consists of an ordered pair that satisfies both equations. All right, what should you learn? Okay, use a method of elimination to solve system of linear equations into variables. So this is another method that can to use to solve systems of equation that is called addition, arithmetic, or elimination method. So you multiply both equations by numbers that will allow you to combine to the two equations and eliminate one of the variables. Okay, the method of elimination. So now we are going to study solve the linear equations into variables. So the key step in this method is to obtain for one of the variable coefficients that differ only in sign, so that adding the equation eliminates the variable. Like for example, here we have equation 1, 3x plus 5y equals 7, and our equation 2 is negative 3x minus 2y equals negative 1. Now, okay, let us solve this one by elimination. So by just looking at it, no. So here we can eliminate directly the 3x because it's already negative, and then 5 minus 2 is 3. Copy the variable y, and then 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so we have y is equals to 3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. All right, since y is already there, we can use equation 1 to get the value of x, no. So 3x plus 5. Okay, substitute the value of y, which is 3, equals 7. So we got 3 6, or 3x plus 5 times 3 is 15, equals 7. Then we have 3x equals 7 minus 15. Okay, 7 minus 15 is how much? No, no, no. Later pala. 3x. Kasi 15 minus 7, I think it's negative 8. Huh? Divided by 3, x is equals to negative 8 over 3. Okay, now how will you know that your answer is correct? You need to check. For example, we're going to check from the equation 2. I think it's easy, no? So checking. This is for checking. Okay, let us check using equation 2. Negative 3 times negative 8 over 3. minus 2 times 3 equals negative 1. Okay, so negative 3 times negative 8, that is 24, minus divided by 3, minus 6 equals negative 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Oh, there's something wrong here. 8. Okay, guys, on the previous slides, you can check the other if it's also correct, no? But our solution there is correct, no? No doubt for that. Okay, so we have here another example. Solve the following system of equation using elimination method. So we have here our first equation is s6x minus 3y equals negative 3. The second is 4x plus 5y equals negative 9. So multiply both sides of the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 9. Okay, so that is to eliminate x. So it depends on you on, or you can use x or y to first eliminate. So it really depends on you. So in here we use the first equation. So we multiply it by 5. So using the distributive property, we got 30x minus 15y equals negative 15. For our second equation, we multiply it by 3. So we get 12x plus 15y equals 27. So again, by using distributive property. Okay, let's continue. So combine the two resulting equations by eliminating the variable y. So this time we eliminate the variable y. So since this one, okay. So for 30 plus 12 is 42. So negative 15 plus negative 27 is negative 42. Okay, divided by 42. Okay, so that's why we got x is equals to negative 1. So this is correct. Alright, substitute the value of x into one of the original equations. So this time, we use this one, no? Whether first or second view, you use the same. 6x minus 3y is equals negative 3. So we get already the value of y. So 6 times negative 1 minus 3y is equals to negative 3x. So just replace the value of x, okay? So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Then bring down negative 3y is equals to negative 3. So we are going to transpose. So we have negative 3 plus 3, that's equals to 3. So when you transpose the one side, of course, the sign also changed. Now, okay? So we have here y is equals to negative 1. Alright, so divide both sides by negative 3. So our computations have produced the points negative 1 and negative 1. Alright, next. Check the point in the original equations first by first equation. So 6 times negative 1, no? Or 4 is 6, we have negative 1, and 4y also negative 1, right? So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, and mine plus negative 3 times negative 1, it's positive 3. So we got here 6 or negative 6 plus 3. Alright, so we have negative 3. So that means negative 3 is equals to negative 3. So our answer is true. Okay? And then for y, right, 4 times negative 1 plus 5 times negative 1. So we have negative 4 plus negative 5. Alright, so that's negative 9. That's true also. Okay, next. Right. So how do we use, no, or how do we solve the system of linear equation by elimination? So there are the steps, okay? Number one, rewrite its equation in standard form, eliminating fraction coefficients, okay? So if you have a fraction, you eliminate the fraction coefficient, no? Next, number two, if necessary, multiply one or both equations by numbers so that the coefficient of the chosen variable are equations. Number 4, find the value of one variable by solving equation from step 3. Then 5, find the value of the second variable by substituting the value found in step 4 into either original equation. And number 6, check the proposed solution in the original equation. Okay, so if you have questions, just let me know, right? All right, so for your journal number 4, okay, write your reflection in this on your notebook. Okay, so we have here the ultimate power to create or destroy resides in nature. Nature has the power to eliminate all life forms in a blink of an eye. Of course, no? So everything we do, everything we engage is belong to our mother nature. So whatever you plant it nicely. Whatever you eliminate, then the only Mother Nature has the um, power to eliminate everything, even we don't like it. She will do anything for our. Okay, so he who creates, does he also destroy. He can, what he gives, she gives. What she destroys, she destroys. So it depends on our faith and how do we love the nature. So please, okay, so think about it. Write your reflection now so that when times come,